Hey, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing. Today, I want to talk a little bit about laundry room organization, and decluttering. So, there's a few tools that we like to use in the laundry room. And the first is just kind of making sure you're utilizing your wall space. Sometimes this can include adding some hooks, and even, if you've got some hooks where you can kind of hang laundry baskets on there, that can be really effective too to kind of sort out your different loads of laundry. Another thing that we like to do is get your soap, detergent, fabric softener, those types of things in specific bins that are easy to reach. You can see how much you have. You can see where you are when you need to restock. I personally love the giant XL turntable from the Container Store. And on there, I have it sitting on top of my washer. I've got my detergent, my stain remover, water or fabric softener, dryer balls, all of those things just kind of sitting on there. I can easily rotate my turntable, grab exactly what I need for the load of laundry that I'm doing, and then it goes right back there and I can see everything I need. I love this method. It's worked for me for many years. I've also seen it in kind of a cabinet where that same kind of turntable rotational style is in a cabinet and you can flip through, easily grab your laundry stuff. So if you have not done a thorough declutter of your laundry room, here is your tip to get in there. Utilize that vertical hanging space, but also utilize some turntables and some bins to kind of segment your most used items, and you will be so happy when you have to do that chore that is laundry. All right, let us know how it goes in the comments, and we will see you next week.